basic biology, the way our body works, it's not changing that much with time. It's a very slow change. But when you talk about economy, the market, it's a
Right.
very dynamic movement. Like the underlying dynamics of the market is changing very fast, very rapidly.
Moving on to the next question. Given that you have worked in two different organizations for two different roles, how are these two different?
Yeah. So when you talk about Symphony AI, healthcare domain, it's a very complex domain because there are a lot of hundreds of parameters involved. But then our basic biology, the way our body works, it's not changing that much with time. It's a very slow change. But when you talk about economy, the market, it's a
Right.
very dynamic movement. Like the underlying dynamics of the market is changing very fast, very rapidly. So it's a totally different ball game. And working in an organization like Morgan Stanley, there's been I'll say there's a lot of great content, great people. Like there's a lot of lot of stuff to learn. So it's been very exciting, and the people here are really excellent, really helpful. So that's interesting. And other than that, so Symphony AI was a startup, so we moved very fast. We tried to break things, and there's a lot of speed. But here, it's very important to make sure everything is done properly. We are following the regulations, so it's a lot of structured, and I'm learning a lot of industry-based practices here. So I'll say it's a different kind of experience. Here we are trying to build a robust, very kind of thing that like whatever we are doing, it must be uh, with the end consumer in mind, and also to make sure whatever we are doing, it's actually following all the regulations and everything is in place, and we're not taking excessive risks or excessive kind of leverages that might be causing travel in the long run. So yeah, by that perspective, it's different. But then on the other hand, from a data science perspective, anyway, it's about solving problems and deriving insights from the data. So that perspective is similar. And in this way, I think the statistics is a very really interesting field, so that you can get to learn about all these domains. So in Ford, I was working in automobile. Now there's healthcare, finance. These are like multiple domains. So you are having a cross domain experience, and that actually I think that helps.
Right.
Yeah.
So a few days back, I received a question, and the question said, "What is the difference between working in a startup culture and working with a big brand?" I think you will be a perfect person to ask that question because you've worked in a startup as well as you're now working with a big brand. So how are these two things different? How is the work culture different?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, in a startup, because uh, the hierarchy levels are not that they're like not multiple hierarchies, so you can move a little faster, and also you have scope of doing some mistakes, because not not the whole world is not watching you, and your own target is to satisfy your customers, and if you do that well, that's great. But when you are in a big organization, you have multiple hierarchies, there are processes. It's very important to do stuff properly, do the right thing by the consumer, do the right thing by us, have the ethical standard very high. So that way, there are a lot of hierarchies, there are a lot of processes, but in a way that's good, because you actually get to learn do the right thing in a right way, and have the long term goal in mind. And so, for example, if we can think of it like this. So if you do something, and if that comes out in a front page in the newspaper, you must be ethical. You
Right.
must not do something that will embarrass you. So that kind of perspective is very important, like when you go into any project, when you're doing anything. So in that way it's different. And then another thing I'll say is because it's a old organization, there's a lot of great content around. There's a library of very good courses, very good materials, people who have who have decades of industry experiences. So that way, it has been a really excellent journey in Morgan Stanley. But also in Symphony, I learned a lot of stuff from my managers and industry professionals. So yeah, that's the basic difference. But in a way, when you're working in great organizations, it's actually great solving really interesting problems using these insights, like not only stuck in the theory, but you are actually going around
Right.
like solving real problems and then learning uh, yeah, stuff.
Okay.